Most people get this wrong. They assume all online course platforms are the same, but LearnWorld stands out with its skill certification features. I tested it to see how it performs for creators and learners, and here's what I found. LearnWorlds is an all-in-one platform for creating, selling, and managing online courses. What makes it unique is the focus on skill validation. You can create interactive assessments, quizzes, and certificate programs that prove learners have mastered a skill. This is particularly useful for professional development courses or niche skill training. The platform is surprisingly easy to use. Drag and drop tools allow you to create lessons, upload videos, and design certificates without coding knowledge. You can also track student progress, issue certificates automatically, and integrate with email marketing tools to grow your course business. The surprising truth is how customizable the certification process is. You can set passing scores, include multiple assessment types, and even add branding to certificates. This makes it much more professional than generic course platforms. Pricing is tiered based on features. While the platform isn't the cheapest, the value comes from the built-in tools for monetization, engagement, and certification. For serious course creators, it can pay for itself quickly. The only downside is that it can take a bit of time to master all the advanced features if you want to fully customize your course and certificate design. But once you get the hang of it, the system is very powerful. In conclusion, LearnWorlds is an excellent platform for creators who want to offer skill certification alongside their courses. It's professional, customizable, and packed with tools to enhance learning and engagement. Subscribe for more honest reviews of online learning platforms to make the right choice for your courses or skill-building programs.